Hello! Today I'm going to show you how to use Scanner Pro to capture a recipe from a children's book and send it up to the cloud. Here is the page that I will be scanning. And here, Scanner Pro. And down at the bottom on the right side, looking at the screen, is an orange button that you need to push to add a page. Okay, I'm holding my iPad over the book, page that I want to scan. Occasionally there's a flash of blue, it's trying to focus. And there we go, it did it. This is what it looks like after it's scanned and taken a picture of the page. Save selection, which is the blue rectangle on the bottom right of the screen. Tap that. And now there's a one with a little arrow in that same place down on the bottom right. I'm going to tap that. And it takes me to the page where I can start editing. I am now on the edit page. Up on the left top corner is the button that says edit. Tap on that. And now I want to crop it. That is the first selection all the way on the left side. Crop. Now inside this blue, I want to scroll down to just the part of the recipe that I want. So just the blue part that I have highlighted, that I've selected, is going to be saved. So now save selection, the button that's up on the right top corner. And there we go. Now we have the document that we are going to upload. So on the top right corner is a little box with an arrow. I'm going to tap it. I want to save this to Google Drive. So in this little pop-up window in the second row, the very first selection, it kind of looks like a triangle with colorful sides, says Google Drive. I'm going to tap that. And it's loading. And it says, okay, I'm ready to upload the document. So in the bottom of that pop-up window, in the center is a blue rectangle that says upload. Tap that. And now there's another little alert in the center of the screen saying uploading. And now we just gotta wait until it is in the drive. And this is the scan that we made right here. So for me to work on it to make it accessible for my students, I need to open it in Google Docs, which is at the center top of the window here. I'm going to click Open with Google Docs, and Google Docs is now opening. It opened another window, so I'm going to click that at the top. Oop. There we go, it already opened. So, looks very different from our original. I'll show you. There's the document we scanned, and this is how it looks in Google Docs, and we have a lot of work to do to clean this up. Here's the document after I fixed it up. First thing I did was add the title, put Zucchini Moon's recipe as the title, and then I went ahead and added two headers, actually three headers, just to make it easier for our students. So I added ingredients and cooking instructions. Then check all the font, make sure it was all the same. I looked for bizarre italics that were just inserted somewhere, made everything look identical, and then the last header, I made yield 2 or 3 small servings a header so that the student could quickly find, well, how much will this make? One thing that I really had to watch is in the scan, when it originally opened into the Google Docs like this, it said it 14 inches thick, which I don't think is what you're going to be cutting up your zucchini slices. So I had to make sure that that was correct. So there you go. It's all set and ready for our student